Are you wondering if you can safely use a cooking oil on your chainsaw or mini chainsaw instead of chain or bar oil? So I have some good and also some bad news. So first, yep, you can actually indeed use any cooking oil on it. Okay, not any, I would say maybe like sunflower or canola oil that has been highly refined. So essentially the cheapest, nastiest stuff. Again, the cheapest stuff that is very clear can definitely be used. But there obviously are some limitations. First, if we compare the cooking oil versus a chain and bar oil, there is one major difference. For example, you will probably see right away. So the consistency of the chain and bar oil is simply way thicker than on like cooking oil. So what that means? So basically the cooking oil is simply going to fling off very fast from your chain. So also I have personally used cooking oil when I simply did not want to go to the shop. It did work it and also provided fairly okay lubrication. But again, there are some issues, again, we had to talk about. So again, if you use cooking oil, it's simply going to fling off your chain much faster, and your chain is simply going to be more dry than if you actually use a chain and bar oil. So it simply doesn't stay as good on the chain. So if you are just cutting a bit, there is no problem whatsoever, in my opinion, especially if you have these mini chainsaws. So again, in my opinion, you can safely use cooking oil in that case. So again, you aren't maxing out, you aren't basically maybe working for like several hours. But yeah, if you are working with your chainsaw for several hours, again, we want very good lubrication on the chain, because if not, your chainsaw essentially also is going to heat up more. It's going to wear down the chain and also the bar, since it's not properly lubricated, and then you might have some problems. But again, if you're a casual user, yep, you can indeed use any cooking oil pretty much. Then another negative, it obviously can also turn sticky. So this one, even if it sits for like half a year unused, it obviously won't turn sticky. Vegetable oil, however, can obviously turn sticky. So again, if you're a casual user, maybe at the end of season, you can simply wipe it off and not simply have the vegetable oil over winter, essentially, when you're not using it. And also obviously it can attract pests maybe as well to your chainsaw, any mice, maybe bugs that might try to lick it off, essentially, since it's obviously edible. Also, when you actually oil a chainsaw, the oil is actually not going inside the motor of the chainsaw. It's essentially only being dropped onto the chain and also the bar. That's why also it's completely safe to use cooking oil. So again, it's obviously not going anywhere inside, only staying maybe on the gear, on the chain, and also on the bar. So again, completely okay. When it comes to what kind of oils you shouldn't use, you probably shouldn't use any like olive oil or coconut oil, since obviously those are not as usually as refined also, and they basically in lower temperatures they simply like become like thicker, even more thicker, and they simply might gum up everything here. But like a canola oil, so essentially like a rapeseed oil or sunflower oil, both can be used safely, again without any problems, as long as you obviously aren't working your saw for several hours and you do not let it overheat or wear down, essentially. That's really the only negative. Basically, for high performance usage, obviously get a chain and bar oil, but if you are a casual user, again, you can safely use vegetable oil. Obviously, advantage of vegetable oil is it's also very environmentally friendly as well. So again, you obviously aren't depositing this nasty stuff anywhere in your yard or whatever. For example, again, if you are working maybe near some food or whatever, really, again, cooking oil obviously doesn't pose any risk compared to this one, since obviously, yeah, it's quite nasty stuff. Also, yeah, if you do not have the chain and bar oil, you can also literally use any other oil, such as mineral oil. So anything, maybe like some kind of oil that you use on bicycle as well will work. Or also even car engine oil can be used as well. So again, pretty much any oil can be used. In fact, these probably are better suited for this purpose than vegetable oil. So if you, for example, have car engine oil, I think it's almost just as good as maybe like a chain and bar oil, in my opinion. So yeah, cooking oil, again, if you are just like casual user who's not using your saw that much, you'll be perfectly fine. There's no risk or whatever. If you are high performance user, then obviously, yeah, don't be so cheap. Essentially, like chain and bar all are these very cheap. So for example, like a liter of it costs maybe like $3 here. Cooking oil maybe costs like less than $2 maybe here. So it is definitely cheaper, but still, how much do you really need it? Okay, like